What's up, everybody? Let's get this week started off right by keeping you informed on the Southwest Florida housing market. Let's get into your Southwest Florida weekly housing market update. Mortgage rates rose again this week. We're currently at a national average of 6.81%, which is up from the 6.73% of the previous week. Mortgage rates have been continuously rising and falling in this range, so we cannot be certain whether or not rates have reached their leveling point or if we'll see an up or down trend in the future. Despite these rate hikes, we did see an increase in the median sales price this week. The median sales price this week for single-family homes and condos in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and North Fort Myers was $387,000, which is a 3.2% increase from the previous week's median sales price of $375,000. There are also 398 new listings, 31 expired listings, and 291 sold listings, compared to the previous week's 373 new listings, 32 expired listings, and 271 sales. New inventory is up by 25 listings, and there were 20 more sales this period. Taking into account the recent market trends, it appears that the Southwest Florida housing market is demonstrating a mix of growth and stability. With mortgage rates still fluctuating, it's difficult to predict the exact trajectory they will take in the coming weeks. Nevertheless, the real estate market in the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and North Fort Myers areas continue to show signs of resilience, as evidenced by the increase in median sales price and the growth in both new listings and sold properties. This week's data suggests that there is a healthy balance between supply and demand, as the number of new listings has increased and sales have also seen an uptick. This trend indicates that buyers are still finding value in the market while sellers are capitalizing on the opportunity to list their properties at higher prices. However, it's important to note that the number of expired listings has remained relatively stable, suggesting that some sellers might be facing challenges in closing deals at their desired price points. Overall, the Southwest Florida housing market seems to be in a stable position with room for both buyers and sellers to find opportunities. Buyers should be prepared for potential mortgage rate fluctuations and stay informed about properties available to seize the best deals. Meanwhile, sellers must pay close attention to market trends and adjust their pricing and marketing strategies accordingly to attract prospective buyers and secure successful transactions. Remember, whether buying or selling, it's important to work with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent who can help guide you through the process and make sure that your best interests are protected at all times. My name is Braden Milner, and I'm a Southwest Florida realtor with Florida Future Realty. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors throughout Cape Coral. I specialize in utilizing cutting-edge online marketing strategies to get sellers the most for their home. I also provide world-class service and education to both my buyers and sellers. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy or sell a property in Cape Coral, I'd love to assist you. I can be reached anytime by call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also visit my website, bradenmilner.com, for my full list of seller services, educational resources, property search, and much more. That's all I have for you today. If you have any further questions about the Southwest Florida real estate market, I'd love to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.